This is the next project. This is for my wife. This is the kitchen register. I'm going to strip it and powder coat it. A wife requested project. This is the heat duct outlet for the kitchen. She wants this to be flat black. So we're going to sandblast and paint this flat black. First step is to take it apart. That was pretty simple, straightforward. Next is sandblasting. Well, I've spared you the sandblasting of that and the sandblasting of that. So to give you a taste, we'll sandblast some of this. So we're ready for outback. Now we stick it in the oven at 500 degrees for 45 minutes, and it'll get rid of any gases that are in the metal. I already have stuff in the oven, it's oven on, so I might as well just throw it in here. That's due to come out in a minute anyway, so. Heat duct has been outgassed, you can tell by the color. You can tell it's been in heat. It's ready to powder coat now, so let's do that. My wife has requested flat black. I have a semi-gloss chassis correct, so that's what I'm going to use. Oops, turn the dust scoop on. And into the oven. "45 minutes later." So the fan on my convection oven has quit, but right at the end. Went to open the doors and the fan quit. I don't know what's wrong. I have to look at it. But here's the grill. ready to go back together. Trying out a new microphone. Let's see if we can put this back together. This thing goes in here like that, something like that. The screw goes in here. All right, this nut goes on here. That's a little stiff. That's better. Now, I gotta stick this in here, like so. Like that, and up over these hooks. Let's close it down. And we'll bend these two little tabs down. And we got a heat duct. Now, if I was to do this in some other color other than black, I would still do the damper in the back black. That way when it's closed, you don't see the damper, you just see the black. And when it's open, you can't see the ductwork. It's still just black, so you're looking into a hole. But you're really seeing the black of the duct. But that works pretty good. They don't make registers like that anymore. It's actually very pretty.